Hi guys, welcome to our first vlog. Now we going to Kembang Soka Waterfall. This is our team, so let's go. Starting with our journey to this destination, Kembang Soka Waterfall is in Kulon Progo, Yogyakarta. If you want to come here, make sure your vehicle is in top condition because the road in this area are very steep and dangerous. We have arrived at the Kembang Soka Waterfall. Of course, before entering, we pay ticket first. The entrance ticket price for Kembang Soka Waterfall itself is very affordable. To be able to enjoy the beauty of this waterfall, you are only charged 10,000 rupiah per person, while the parking fee for motorbike is 2,000 rupiah and for car 5,000 rupiah. The view here is very beautiful, presented with a waterfall that flows into the river below. This waterfall is also called a two-color waterfall because the color of the water is sometimes blue and green. Thank you for watching our first mini vlog. Don't forget to like this video and see you in the next vlog. Bye bye.